Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community of clean enthusiasts. Today, I'm sharing my must-have cleaning tools that I cannot live without. Let's dive right in. Number 1. The vacuum cleaner. Whether you choose an upright canister or robotic vacuum, this tool is essential for cleaning carpets, rugs, and hard floors. Some models even come with handy attachments for furniture, stairs, and tight spaces. Next up, number 2. Microfiber cloths. These are highly absorbent, reusable, and perfect for dusting, wiping surfaces, and cleaning windows without leaving streaks. A true game changer. Number 3. The all-purpose cleaner. This versatile product can be used on various surfaces, including countertops, appliances, and bathroom fixtures. One bottle does it all. Moving on to number 4. The scrub brush. This tool is a must for tackling tough grime and stains in areas like the kitchen and bathroom. You'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Number 5. The mop and bucket. There are many options available, from traditional string mops to modern spray mops. They're necessary for cleaning hard floors, and some models even wring out excess water efficiently. Number 6. The broom and dustpan. Ideal for quickly sweeping up crumbs, dirt, and debris from hard floors. A classic but indispensable duo. Number 7. The squeegee. Perfect for cleaning windows, glass doors, and shower walls without leaving streaks. Clear views, here we come. Number 8. The toilet brush. Essential for maintaining a clean and hygienic toilet. Enough said. Number 9. The duster. Choose from feather dusters, microfiber dusters, or extendable dusters for high surfaces. They effectively remove dust from surfaces, blinds, and hard-to-reach places. Number 10. The spray bottle. Great for mixing and applying homemade cleaning solutions or distributing store-bought cleaners. Versatility at its finest. Number 11. Rubber gloves. These protect your hands from harsh chemicals and dirty surfaces, making cleaning tasks more comfortable and hygienic. A must-have for sure. Number 12. Trash bags and liners. Necessary for collecting and disposing of household waste efficiently. Keep your home tidy with these. Number 13. Sponges and scouring pads. Versatile for cleaning dishes, sinks, and tough stains on various surfaces. Super handy. Number 14. The lint roller. Great for removing pet hair, dust, and lint from clothing, furniture, and other fabric surfaces. A lifesaver for pet owners. Number 15. The bucket. Useful for carrying cleaning supplies, holding water for mopping, or soaking items that need a deep clean. Simple, yet effective. Number 16. The steam cleaner. Effective for deep cleaning and sanitizing surfaces without the need for harsh chemicals. A healthier option for your home. And finally, number 17. Disinfecting wipes. These are convenient for quick cleanups and sanitizing high-touch surfaces like door handles and light switches. Perfect for those last-minute touch-ups. Remember to organize your supplies in a caddy or designated storage area for easy access. Invest in high-quality tools that will last longer and perform better, making your cleaning tasks more efficient. And don't forget to regularly maintain your tools to keep them effective and hygienic. With these essential cleaning tools, you'll be well-equipped to keep your home clean, organized, and comfortable. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy cleaning. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you found this video helpful. See you in the next one.